Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Here in the Midwest is a very sunny Saturday afternoon. Let's pray for all of our family members that got hit by these tornadoes. Especially the loved ones, the family in Kentucky, especially. Let's just pray for them. Let's support them financially. Find a charitable way to give, or look at the hotlines. Make sure that it's the real deal and not any scammers. Let's participate. Let's help our brothers and sisters. I just wanted to briefly talk about some stock that are a hedge against inflation. And I did copy some down. I'm sorry, I got allergy eyes. I'm going to put these on. And let's just talk about some of the stock really quick that I think. Remember, you guys supposed to be doing your homework. So these are some of the stocks that I think are a hedge against inflation, which is coming, and a hedge against higher interest rates, which is coming in the spring. Now, these stock, I want you to actually research them. I'm not telling you to buy them right now. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. But these are some of the ones that I want you to put on your list to study and watch and probably buy. I have quite a few of these in my portfolio. The first one is PayPal. It's fintech. It's actually financial. That's what fintech is, where financial meet technical. Okay, fintech. PayPal. Ticker symbol PYPL. Goldman Sachs. All right, that's banking. Banks, when rates go up, banks go up. That's ticker symbol GS. Gus Sam. Citibank. Citibank is another one that I've had Citibank for many years. That's ticker symbol C. I always keep some Citibank in my portfolio. Then, so those are financials. All right, let's move into consumables. All right, or consumer discretionary. Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. Handy dandy, HD. All right. Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA, right? Just like the women's basketball. All right. CVS, just like the pharmacy. CVS, ticker symbol the same. Calvin versus Sam, CVS. Here's another one in consumables, but it's food. McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, Michael Cat Dog. Okay. And anything coffee. Starbucks, okay, SBUX. So anything coffee, I want you to look at that, because coffee always goes up. Believe it or not, coffee even goes up in recessions and depressions. Coffee and lipstick actually goes up when markets get hit. So check those out. And then, you got the Dollar Generals and all of those, they go up too. All right. So put all of those on your list and let me know which one makes more sense to you. All right, good people. So that's what we're going to do. And remember, let's help our neighbors out. I mean, these people are left with nothing. I'm going to do something. If everybody just do a little, we can make a big dent. And I mean, these people have nothing. Houses decimated. Let's help out. All right, good people. Everybody help out. Let's look at the hotline. I don't have the hotline number with me, but just look on your news, whatever news outlet you look at, and make sure it's legit before you send anything. Okay, good people. Somebody said, I just feel like I need to laugh a little bit on yesterday's video. One of my brothers, that's what I love about us, is we're all races. And there's a lot of funny things that are just racially, culturally different. And we all have some things that are different about us that are funny. All right. So somebody said black people always put a S on the end of everything. And it was somebody black that said it. So don't y'all start tripping. All right. But, and you know what? I started to I was like, wow. And I was like, you know what? Come on, y'all. Come on, black people. It's true. My dad, he when he goes to talk to Siri, he goes, "Hey, Siri, And I go, Dad, it's Siri. She alone. She ain't got a man. All right. And so it's just her by herself. Siri is single. She ain't got a man. So it's true. I always say Kathy Woods. I put an S on it. And then yesterday I said the feds. And it's the Fed, FED. And I just, it's just a habit, so, but all right, before my white family, before y'all start laughing, I got y'all too. So my white friends, they always go, hey, I'm gonna be at my, I said, where you at? Oh, I'm at my work. And I got one friend, he used to always make fun of me. I say axe, because from Chicago, we say axe. We don't say ass. So we say axe, let me ask my brother. So I was like, where you at? He said, I'm at my work. And my wife's the same thing. What you doing? I'm at my work. And I was like, are you jobbing at your work? Bam, gotcha. All right. Hey, good people, let's check out those stock and let me know what you guys think. All right, good people, live, love, laugh. Let's take a little time and laugh and learn. Remember, let's help these people out, good people. Love you guys.